Hello everyone, I'm Vincent from Thecus and I'm going to introduce you our brand new Windows server, the W8900 featuring Windows Server 2008 L2 embedded system. W8900 contains powerful hardware such as the new Sandy Bridge processor and Windows Server 2008 L2 embedded system. So you can load up to 8 hard disks for a total of 24 terabytes of data. And it works with basically almost everything like SAS, SATA, SATA 3, 2.5 inch, 3.5 inch. It's compatible with virtually every disk available on the market. Here you got a very convenient OLED screen which allows you to navigate among the basic functions of the NAS in order to ease your daily administration work. This is the back of the NAS. So it features, of course, redundant power source, a UPS slot, 3 LAN 1 gigabit slot, 4 USB 2.0 slots, 1 HDMI output, the audio output, after 2 USB 3.0 slots and 1 eSATA. And of course, 4 PCI Express slots here, in case you want to add, for instance, a 10 gigabit Ethernet controller or anything you want. So let's start with a brief introduction about Thecus. The firm has been founded in 2004. It comes from the Latin word means storage. Since that we are the biggest, the strongest NAS company and the fastest growing so far in the NAS market. We sell worldwide, including China, Europe, North and South America. So let's go directly to see Windows Server. So it's featured 2 very specific functions I'm going to briefly introduce you. The first one is called SIS. It means System Instant Storage. SIS uses the huge power featured by the new Sandy Bridge CPU to reduce the space used during save by the counterpart on using more CPU power. So the principle is very easy. Each time, for instance, you take a snapshot of your system, the SIS is going to look among all your files if all of them has been changed or modified during the last save. And so this way they will save only the file which has been modified. This way you can reduce the space used during snapshot and data will remain saved. Second feature I'm going to talk about is iSCSI target. With iSCSI target, you can pick directly the hard disk from the NAS to any client under Windows or Apple. So actually, on your desktop, it's going to look like any other hard disk, except your data will be stored in safety on the WS9900. And this way, when you plug off the network, the hard disk will disappear from your desktop and all the data will remain saved on your NAS. This way, if your computer gets stolen or damaged, data still are in safety on the network. To summarize, this NAS features a powerful hardware such as Sandy Bridge processor, 8 gigabits of DDR3, USB 3.0 to allow all the clients in your small business or enterprise to benefit from storage and RAID protection. So this way you can be protected from damage or robbery and your data will still be safe on those 8 hard disks. So thank you everyone for listening.